Greeting to everyone, I'm Rio Henry. Today my group and I will present about one topic, which is financial instrument. The bank that have been chosen regarding this presentation is Maybank. We do the interview with a Maybank officer, Mr. Ryan Anak Nahar, and use secondary source in finding the information needed to strengthen the evidence for some of the data obtained. Now we will start the presentation with the explanation for each financial instrument related to Maybank.
I'm going to present about the financial instrument provided by Maybank, which is the first one is stock market. Maybank is listed on the Bursa Malaysia Stock Exchange, which is the primary stock exchange in Malaysia. The stock market type in Maybank refers to the exchange where a company's shares are publicly traded. Maybank shares are traded on the main market of Bursa Malaysia under the stock code 1155. Investors interested in buying or selling Maybank share can do so through brokerage accounts that have access to the Bursa Malaysia. Bursa Malaysia, formerly known as Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange, which also the main stock exchange in Malaysia. Additionally, Maybank provides access to international stock markets such as Singapore Exchange, New York Stock Exchange, and the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. These international stock markets allow investors to diversify their portfolio by investing in companies from different countries. The benefit of it provides an opportunity to participate in the growth of publicly traded companies and potentially earn profits through capital appreciation. Historically, the average annual return of the Malaysian stock market has been around 7 to 10%. Not only that, Maybank stock market platforms such as Maybank Trade offers convenience and accessibility, allowing investors to monitor and trade stock online from anywhere at any time. Stock markets offered by Maybank can be suitable for both long run and short run, depending on individuals' investment goals and risk appetite. The disadvantages in stock market are it's subject to the market risk and the value of stock can fluctuate significantly, potentially resulting in loss. Not only that, it requires a lot of research and analysis because without proper research and understanding of its market, investors may make poor investment decisions that will result in loss. Last but not least, the transaction costs such as brokerage fees and tax can reduce overall return on investment. That's all from me. Thank you.
ASB financing is a Sharia-compliant term financing facility for people to invest in unit trust of Amanah Saham Bumiputra. It is suitable for people who age 18 years to 17 years old. So according to Maybank, ASB financing is a long-term investment which is up to 35 years and above. So there are 4 benefits under this product, which are financing amount, interest rate, margin of financing, and financing tenure. In terms of financing amount, the minimum value that can be stored is 10,000 ringgit and the maximum value is 200,000 ringgit. After that, an individual charge for an interest rate of 4.60% if investing around 30,000 ringgit, while for the first 3 years is 4.20% and year 4 onwards is 4.50%. These tenures are for PRTA, while for the tenure without PRTA, an individual who invests below 30,000 ringgit will be charged for 4.70%, and for the first 3 years, an individual will be charged for 4.30%, followed by 4 years onwards, which is 4.60%. For the margin of financing, it can boost clients' investment in shares of Bursa Malaysia. And last but not least, in terms of financing tenure, the maximum loan is 35 years up to the age of 70. According to Maybank, ASB financing exposed to the risk of financing rate fluctuations. It means that if the financing rate is increased, the client's monthly installment will be higher too.
My own part is about unit trust. According to Julia Kagan, 2023, a unit trust is an unincorporated mature fund structure that hold asset and provide a profit to individual unit owner instead of reinvesting into the fund. In an easy way to understand, Fixed deposit offer a simple and safe way to grow money. By placing the fund in a fixed deposit, the principal amount saved will grow with the interest rate given by the bank. Unit trust is the same like stock market, but unit trusts have their own fund manager. So the loss and profit get is quite different from the stock market. Due to unit trust manager, take the profit from the investment they made, use the client money to add certain stock that fund manager choose as a service features. Through this investment, investor can predict their rate of return without significant influence from the fluctuations of financial market condition. This investment is suitable for those who want to grow their money for the long term gradually because the safety of the money is guaranteed to be safe. Here is some example that we can look into, which on 27 December 2023, there are around 1 ringgit 03 net asset value for Maybank Income Management Fund. Net asset value represent a fund per share, intrinsic value. We can conclude that the high risk will get high return if invest in unit trust. Here are some benefits may be earned by investors who investing in unit trust. One of them is easy to start investing as low as 100 ringgit. The unit trust also have professional financial manager to help manage and ensure financial goals are met. Unit trust also allow asset diversifications to enable good risk management.
Good evening to Dr. Caroline. My name is Woon Ivat and I would like to present about the fixed deposit. It's a financial instrument offered by a bank where a person can put his money into the bank to earn fixed amount of interest. The minimum amount that you need to put in Maybank fixed deposit account is 5,000 ringgit for 1 month and 1,000 ringgit for 2 months and above. There's no maximum amount. That means you can put as many as you want without any limitations. It's ideal for both short run and long run savings goals. For instance, if you put your money in the fixed deposit account for 1 month, you will get 2.6% of interest rate and you will get 2.9% of interest rate for 60 months or 5 years. It gives a lot of benefits if you choose to invest in fixed deposit account. For example, guaranteed returns. You will know exactly how much interest you will earn over the deposit period, as the interest rate remains fixed and is not affected by market fluctuations. So it's one of the safest investment that you may consider choosing, especially if you are risk averse. Second benefit is that it has higher interest rates than saving accounts. In Maybank, even the lowest interest rate given is 2.6% for 1 month in fixed deposit account, but you will earn only 0.25% with your saving account. However, there are some disadvantages as well. First, interest rate can be lower than inflation rate. In some cases, the interest rate on fixed deposit might not in line with the inflation rate. This may result in a decrease in the real value of your returns over time. There's no increase in interest rate, unlike some investment options where interest rate may fluctuate. You only get a fixed interest rate for the entire tenure, which means your returns will not increase with changes in the market or economic conditions. Other than that, you also cannot withdraw your money early before the maturity date. If you do so, you will not get any interest payment unless you are given a notice period that you may withdraw your money. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, we go to the next part. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Elvina Hani Elima with metric number BB21110197. So we go to the insurance that's being provided by Maybank. Maybank provides a wide range of insurance products in Asia, including life, health, home, travel, and personal accident and liability, with regional and global insurers as distribution partners. And about history, here is a bit history about Maybank. Maybank established in 1993 and has a 40% stake in Etika Insurance, providing conventional and takaful insurance products across Malaysia and the ASEAN region. about advantages that we can get from Maybank's insurance. First one is wide range of insurance products. Maybank offers a comprehensive suite of insurance solutions, including life, health, home, travel, auto, personal accident, and more. And this allows customers to get all their insurance needs fulfilled from one provider. And in addition, strong financial backing. Maybank is one of the largest banks in Malaysia with strong financial footing. This provides assurance that claims will be paid promptly. And next, quality service, which is Maybank has a dedicated insurance arm called Etika with years of experience. They provide professional service and advice to customers. And last but not least is large agency network. Maybank has one of the largest agency networks in Malaysia, which helps service customers across the nation. And agents assist in the purchase and claim process. And that's all slightly about insurance that's been provided by Maybank. Thank you.
So, financial instrument future market. First, according to James Change 2022, the future market is the trading unit for trader to buy and sell commodities and future contract. In Maybank investment bank futures offering a range of products across financial commodity and equity derivative. For example, there's two types of future market that offered by Maybank, which is Bursa Malaysia derivative and foreign future. But for this, we focus on the example in Bursa Malaysia derivative. So there are three features been stated, which is first equity derivative, which is consists FKLI or KLI and SFS. For second commodity derivative, which is stated like future crude palm oil, FCPO, future gold, and so on. The third financial derivative, which is contract, like a contract investment, such as FKB3, FMG3, and FMG5. So this is the investment based on contract. The period of time been standardized for investment. So future market has the availability for investment in certain period for the certain period like short term, medium term, and long term, and it is also depend on the expired of the contract that the investor choose. For the benefit are the instrument low risk because companies use this kind of contract to limit the risk that may arise from the foreign currency exchange. So, investor not too affected from the changes. Net has a high liquidity. This is because investor can do high volume trading and allow investor easy entry and exit from the position that they make in the investment. While for the disadvantage, first been standardized by the contract that the pre-contractual stipulation on investment are an obstacle for investor to set the specific they need in investment requirement. Second, the market margin, known as risks of market margin call. This means when the market is against trader or the market down, they may need to add fund deposit to cover the potential losses that they may face. Okay.
Based on the question above referring to which financial instrument is the best way to invest in the short, medium, and long term, we will refer to the stock market. For investment involving all ages, a unit trust or ASB is more recommended because those under 12 years old can start to invest in a unit trust. They can continue to keep the fund in the account and wait for maturity to get a profit. Investing in a unit trust can be done for a long time period until the investor stop investing in that account. If an investor who wants to make a profit in the short or medium term, but at a medium risk, can invest in the stock market because there are many stock market options that have the potential to generate profit, especially blueprints category companies such as Maybank. Here are the reasons to invest in stock market. Firstly is potential for high return in investment. The stock market have provide a higher average return compared to many other investment options over the long term. While there are no guarantees, investing in well-performing stock can offer the potential for significant capital appreciations, so it must be alert to the time. Secondly is diversification of the risk. Investing in a diverse portfolio of stock can help to spread the risk. Diversification involves holding a variety of assets to reduce the impact of poor performing investment on the overall portfolio. Many investment professionals recommend diversifications to manage the risk effectively so loss can be avoided or only bear losses. Basically, based on what I learned about the stock market, is selling a stock when its price is high and buy during the price low are common strategy in the stock market. The goal of selling high is to capitalize on the appreciations in the stock value and lock in profit.
Okay, for the suggestion to individual who want to make an investment, we divide into three sections that you can refer. First is the range of age of the investor or individual who want to investment. Second, based on their income. The last is based on the economic condition. First, investment based on age. The SB unit trust suitable for all group of individual under age of 18 up to the adulthood can invest in the unit trust such as ASB. This is because this investment is very suitable for long-term investment, which is a very low risk rate because it is managed by a professional fund manager to generate money in their investment account. And it is easy to predict and does not require strict monitoring by the investor or the individual. For stock market, individual around 18 till 65 years old is a condition of participation from the Maybank. For investors who want to try moderate to high risks to generate profit from potential return from rising stock price because this instrument required knowledge, correct investment mechanism in stock and company stock analysis. Second, based on income. For those with a basic income and above can do SB financing or SB investment because this investment is suitable for all income classes because the value of share unit is fixed, which is 1 ringgit for every unit, for each unit, and easy to buy till up the maximum holding limit. While the market stock for those who have a large income can buy a share in Bursa Malaysia, so that the investor can choose the stock they want or they analyze have a potential to increase in the value of the share, and the investment made is minimum of 100 unit of share for each purchase. And for those who has a small income also can involve as they can fulfill the minimum required to buy the stock in the CDS platform. Last, investment based on the economic condition aspect of the economic situation are also concerned in choosing the right investment for their portfolio. So for unit trusts such as ASB are suitable for investment when the country economic growth is growing and the performance of the company that manage the share is grow through the annual report that we can refer. And the stock market is suitable for investing when the stock price is low or below the resistance line because when the inflation occur, this affect the stock price. That when the inflation rate rise, the stock price will rise. So this can generate a profit for an investor. So that's all for me. So I pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
In conclusion, it is encouraged for customers to start their investment journey at Maybank. These investments, such as stock market, ASB financing, unit trust, fixed deposit, future market, and insurance, are very secure instruments for an individual who wants to make an investment. Maybank's strong market presence enables clients to get the opportunities with the critical insights and investment solution. So that's all. Thank you.